Welcome to the Cardinal Research Minute with your host and chair of the University of Louisville Department of Medicine, Dr. Kim Williams.
Good afternoon. I'm Dr. Kim Allen Williams, Chair of Medicine here at University of Louisville, and it is my pleasure to talk with you about microplastics exposure and cardiovascular disease. Our speaker for Research Grand Rounds today was Dr. Timothy O'Toole. He's an associate professor here in the Department of Medicine, the Division of Envirome, and our Christina Lee Brown Envirome Institute. Dr. O'Toole, can you summarize your talk in 60 seconds?
Sure. I think there's growing awareness of microplastics contamination in the environment. These microplastics get incorporated into the food chain, into water supplies, and human consumption is inevitable. To study the physiological outcomes of this, we use a mouse model, feeding mice polystyrene beads, polyethylene beads, or polyvinyl chloride beads. And what we observed was that these mice became hyperglycemic, they became obese, and in a disease model, they had increased atherosclerosis. And we're currently following up on these models and trying to identify the mechanism of these outcomes.
Well, that's a wonderful start to try to get some understanding about something that is really important coming from our environment and increasing the levels of heart disease that we already have that are very impactful in most countries. So thank you for all your work you're doing.
Sure.
And this has been a Cardinal Minute.